welcome back to my channel. I am Upasana Taneja and this is 8th lecture of ordinary differential equations which are studying nowadays. In our last video we discussed about exact differential equations and some examples, but here we are not continuing that topic. That we are in our next video we will study about those equations which are reducible to exact, which are not exact. But here in 2-3 videos we will first of all we will study about formation of differential equations. Okay, so this is the video for how to form the differential equations. Okay, in this video we will study about what is the method and some examples and what is parameter and all and family of curves and everything. Okay, please watch this video till the very end to understand the topic completely. If you get it, please subscribe to my channel and give a thumbs up and do tell me in comments. Okay, so here we are continuing this lecture, formation of differential equation. What is a differential equation? The equation in which we have derivatives. I told you earlier ki what is differential equations. Suppose we have x dy plus y dx. This is differential equation. Okay, so the equation in which we have derivatives, okay, is called differential equations. Now this is the topic that how do we form differential equation. Suppose they are saying let this be f of x, y, c1, c2 up to so on cn equal to 0 be n parameter family of curves. What is n parameter? What is n parameter? Suppose we have an equation y square is equal to 4ax where a can be changed. So we will say a is a parameter. Okay, a can be changed. Like this is a parabola here. Okay, so where a is a parameter, a can be changed. Suppose we have a circle like x minus a square plus y square equal to r square where a is parameter. Okay, this is the equation of a circle where the center is on x-axis. Okay, a0. So these are one parameter family of curves in which those equations, those curves in which we have only one parameter, those are called one parameter family of curves. Okay, suppose we have x minus a square plus y minus b square equal to r square, x square upon a square plus y square upon b square equal to r square. So these type of equations where we have two parameters, these are two parameters family of curves. But here we are discussing n parameter family of curves. Okay, in general we are taking let this be n parameter family of curves where x is independent variable and y is dependent variable. Okay, we consider this. I have explained this in detail in first lecture. You can watch that video if you want to. Then the differential equation whose solution is this. We need to form a differential equation whose solution is this. If we have solution, we need to make the differential equation. How do we obtain that differential equation? Is obtained by eliminating. We need to eliminate those n arbitrary constants. If we have two arbitrary constants, we will eliminate those two arbitrary constants. If we have 3, we will eliminate 3. If we have 1, we will eliminate 1. Okay, and up to so on. If we have n, we will eliminate n arbitrary constants. Now the question comes, what is the method of eliminating those arbitrary constants? Okay, so now we will see how will we eliminate those constants. We will see the method first. You can note that. Okay, you can make your notes, and after that we will see some examples that how are we making those differential equations with the help of solution, with the help of family of curves with n parameters. Okay, so let's come to that now method. So here comes the method of eliminating arbitrary constants. Suppose you will be having a solution, you will be having a family of curves whether with one constant, one parameter or two parameters and so on. Okay, what do you need to do? How many constants you have, how many parameters you have, you just need to differentiate the equation that many times. Suppose you have family of curves f of x, y, c1, c2 up to so on equal to 0 with the n parameter family of curves, then what do you need to do? Differentiating one with respect to x n times. N times means we will get phi 1 where we will get y dash also, phi 2 we will get y dash and y double dash and up to so on, and phi n. These we will get n plus 1 equation because this is first equation where we are getting first derivative, this is second, nth derivative, so this will be n plus 1 equations. Okay, so from these n plus 1 equations we just eliminate these using these equations, adding and subtracting and so on and multiplying with something. Just solving these n plus 1 equations we get n, we need to remove eliminate n unknowns and then we get the required differential equation. This is the traditional method, but sometimes it happens that we differentiate one time and two times, we need to differentiate three times, but we will not differentiate it continuously three times. What we will do, we will differentiate one time and eliminate something if we can. Okay, we will see the possibilities also. So these things you need to see with the help of examples that how do we do that. Okay, so now we come to examples to form the differential equations. I hope you are getting it. If you are getting it, do subscribe to my channel and do hit like button and do tell me in comment section. So now come to examples. So here we have two examples. First is, consider one parameter family of equation, this y is equal to mx plus c, and form a differential equation. So here m is the slope and c is a parameter. Okay, so we have one parameter, we will differentiate the equation one time, we get dy by dx is equal to m, and hence which is required differential equation. This is the family of straight line. So this was very easy. Now we come to this example. See what is that? The differential equation corresponding to family of circles. Now we have a family of circles of radius r, radius is r, that is fixed, whose center lies on x-axis. Center lies on x-axis means like we need to form differential equation, we need to choose the option. So first of all we will make this equation, this family of circles, we will make family of curves. What will be that equation? They are saying this is a circle. What is the equation of circle? X minus a square plus y minus b square equal to r square. Now they are saying center lies on x-axis. X-axis means on x-axis we have point A0. Okay, A can be here, A can be here, so circle can be here, circle can be here, circle can be here, but radius is fixed. Radius will always be r. Suppose radius is 3, then it will always be 3. So a and b are parameters, but they are saying center lies on x-axis, that means b is 0. So we have x minus a square plus y square equal to r square. Now we need to remove a. Okay, so what we will do, what is the method? That differentiate it. Okay, differentiate it, we will get 2 x minus a, we are differentiating with respect to x, plus 2y y dash equal to 0. Okay, 2 can be cancelled out. Okay, and then value of a can go on that side, value of a is x plus y y dash. Now we can substitute this value in equation number 1. Okay, so substitute, you are seeing that how do we eliminate the arbitrary constant. Substitute this value in equation number 1, x minus y y dash. Okay, when we will open the bracket, square plus y square equal to r square, x cancel out, and this is y square y dash square plus y square equal to r square. So we can see here it's y square y dash square plus y square. D is the answer. This fourth part, D part, is the answer. So this is how we do the examples. This is how we form the equations, form the differential equations with the family of curves, when we have arbitrary constants, and that depends on number of arbitrary constants. If you will be having more arbitrary constants, you need to differentiate it more times. Okay, so we will come to next example and see if we have more than one arbitrary constant. Okay, so let's come to that now. So now we have this family of curve y is equal to a e raised to power 2x plus b e raised to power minus 3x plus c e raised to power x, where a, b, c are arbitrary constants and we need to form our differential equation, okay, with the help of this. So here we have three arbitrary constants, so we should differentiate it three times, and let's see how we will do it. Differentiate it one time with respect to x. You can write it differentiating with respect to x. Okay, we will get y dash is equal to, or you can write it as y1 also. Okay, we are writing it y1 a 2 e raised to power 2x minus of 3b e raised to power minus 3x plus c e raised to power x. Okay, now our main motive is to remove the arbitrary constants. Okay, so let's see if we will subtract y from y1, then we can cancel out these terms. So c e raised to power x, c e raised to power x. Okay, so we can say equation number 1 and 2, subtracting 1 from 2. Okay, y1 minus y is equal to 2a e raised to power 2x minus a e raised to power 2x. We will get a e raised to power 2x minus 3b e raised to power minus 3x plus, that means minus 2b e raised to power minus 3x, and this term will be cancelled out. So now we have only two arbitrary constants and we need to remove these two. Now differentiating it one more time. Now we will differentiate this equation, not this, because now we have less number of arbitrary constants here. We just need to remove the arbitrary constants. So differentiating 3, okay, differentiating 3 with respect to x, y1 is y2, y is y1, and this will be 2a e raised to power 2x plus 6b e raised to power minus 3x. Okay, so this is, we can say this is 4. Now we need to remove another arbitrary constants, either this or this. Okay, so if we will multiply equation number 3 with 3, if we multiply equation number 3 with 3 and then add to 4, then it will become minus 6, and if we will add to 4, then this term will be cancelled out. So let's see, you can write it, multiply equation 3 with 3 and then adding to 4. Okay, 4, we need to add in 4, so we are multiplying y2 minus y1, this is 4, plus 3y1 minus 3y. Okay, multiply and then add, equal to, this is 2a e raised to power 2x and this will be 3a e raised to power 2x. Okay, this is 6b e raised to power minus 3x and this will also be 6b e raised to power minus 3x. Cancel out this term. Now we got this, so I can rub here. Okay, so what do we have here? We have y2 and plus 2y1, okay, minus 3y equal to, we have 2 plus 3, 5, a e raised to power 2x. Okay, so now we got this term and this is cancelled out. Now what we can do, we just need to substitute the value and we need to remove a. Okay, so what we can do, we can differentiate it one more time. Differentiate with respect to This is 4 and this is 5. Differentiate 5 with respect to x. Okay. So it will be y3 plus 2y2 minus 3y1 is equal to 10 e raised to power 10a e raised to power 2x. Okay. So now how can we eliminate a now? Okay. If we will multiply this with 2 and then subtract this equation, then we can eliminate a. Okay. So multiplying, you can write it. Multiplying 5 by 2 and then subtract from 6. Okay. So write 6 first. y3 plus 2y2 minus 3y1. Multiply with 2. That means minus 2y2 minus and 4y1 plus 6y. Sign will be changed. Equal to 10a e raised to power 2x minus 10a e raised to power 2x. This is cancelled out. So this is 0 and this is the required differential equation. What we will get? y3 and this is also cancelled out. And we have minus 7y1 plus 6y equal to 0, which is required differential equation. And now come to next example. We have this example. By eliminating arbitrary constants a and b. You need to eliminate a and b. We have this family of curve. And now what we will do? Differentiate with respect to x. Because whenever we need to form a differential equation with family of curves, how many arbitrary constants we have? We need to differentiate it that many times. So differentiate it with respect to x. We get x y dash plus y is equal to a e raised to power x minus b e raised to power minus x plus 2x. Okay. Now as we can see, we don't need to subtract. If we will add this, we can cancel out b. But whenever we have these type of questions, a e raised to power x plus this and so on, if you will differentiate it one more time, you will get the same term. Like differentiate it again, we get x y double dash plus y dash plus y dash. Okay, equal to a e raised to power x plus b e raised to power minus x plus 2. So we got it again. Okay. Now we can substitute its value from equation number 1. From equation number 1, we can write this as xy minus x square. We can write a e raised to power x plus b e raised to power minus x is equal to xy minus x square. So substituting its value from equation number 1, we get xy double dash plus 2y dash, y dash plus y dash is 2y dash, and this will be xy minus x square plus 2. Okay, we can bring it on this side and the sign will be changed, and this is the required differential equation, which is so simple, because whenever you have these type of examples, after differentiating it 2 times, you can get it this value again and you can substitute it here. Okay, so it is very simple. So now come to one more example. So in this question we have a family of curve here, ax square plus by square equal to 1, and we need to form the differential equation. And whenever we need to form the differential equation, I am repeating everything again and again so that you can make it clear. Okay, so that you can remind it. Ax square plus by square is equal to 1. See how many arbitrary constants we have. Here we have 2 arbitrary constants. And how do we form differential equation? It depends on number of arbitrary constants. Okay, if you have 2 arbitrary constants, you need to differentiate it 2 times. If you have 1 arbitrary constant, you need to differentiate it 1 time. Okay, so it depends on whenever you are making forming a differential equation, it always depends on number of arbitrary constants. So here we have 2 arbitrary constants, a and b. So differentiate, here we have two arbitrary constants. Okay, so differentiating one with respect to x, differentiating one with respect to x, we get 2ax plus 2by dash equal to 0. Okay, and now we got this. Now for eliminating, we can differentiate it one more time and we can write it as 2, differentiating 2 with respect to x. Then we will see how can we eliminate arbitrary constants. When we will differentiate it, we will get 2a plus 2b y double dash plus 2b y dash square. Okay, so equal to 0. This is equation number 3. Now we can see how can we eliminate. So if we will multiply equation 3 with x, then we and subtract from 2, then these two can be cancelled out. So multiply 3 with x. Okay, multiply 3 with x and subtract from 2. Let's see what happens. What happens? It's 2ax plus 2by dash minus 2ax. Okay, we will subtract also and multiply x also. Minus 2bx y dash minus 2bx y dash square equal to 0. Now this term is cancelled out. A has been removed and see we can take b common. B is here, b is here and b is here. We can take it common and it can go to 0. So we can get 2y dash minus 2x xy dash. You can take 2 also common. Okay, so it is y dash minus xy dash minus y dash square equal to 0, which is the required differential equation of this family of curves. Okay, I hope you have got it. Okay, if you are getting it, if you are liking it, please subscribe to my channel. Please press the bell button so that you can get my latest updates, and you can join me on Telegram also, and on Instagram Dr. U Taneja you can find, and on Telegram Dr. Upasna Pahuja Taneja you can find, and you can join me. So please be with me, keep watching, and thank you so much for watching.